Large, circular celestial objects that are neither stars nor their remnants are known as planets. The nebular hypothesis, which states that an interstellar cloud collapses out of a nebula to create a young prototype orbited by a protoplanetary disk, is currently the best theory for planet formation. The steady accumulation of matter accelerated by gravity, or accretion, is how planets expand within this disk. There are at least 8 planets in the solar system, including the gigantic planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, as well as the terrestrial planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Each of these planets revolves around an axis that is inclined relative to its orbital pole. While Mercury's atmosphere is tenuous, the others all have atmospheres, and several of them have similar characteristics like ice caps, seasons, volcanism, hurricanes, tectonics, and even hydrology. The planets of the solar system, with the exception of Venus and Mars, all produce magnetic fields and all have natural satellites. The most noticeable of the planetary rings, those of Saturn, are present on the larger planets. The Greek word planti, which means wanderers, is likely where the word planet originates. This term was used in antiquity to describe the sun, moon, and 5 light sources that could be seen with the unaided eye and traveled across the background of the stars Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Numerous cultures have historically associated celestial bodies with gods, and these links with mythology and folklore are still present in the naming conventions for newly found solar system entities. In the 16th and 17th centuries, geocentrism gave way to heliocentrism, which led to the discovery of Earth as a planet. The term planet was expanded with the invention of the telescope to include celestial bodies that could only be seen through a telescope, such as the ice giants Uranus and Neptune, Ceres, and other bodies that were later identified as being a part of the asteroid belt, as well as Pluto, which was later determined to be the largest icy body in the Kuiper belt. The argument over the precise definition of a planet was sparked by the discovery of several substantial objects in the Kuiper belt, particularly Eris. Although many planetary scientists still use the term planet in a more general sense, the International Astronomical Union (IAU) developed a standard under which the 4 terrestrials and 4 giants qualify, classifying Ceres, Pluto, and Eris as dwarf planets. More than 5,000 exoplanets, as they are known, were found as a result of further astronomical advancements. These include super-Earths like Gliese 500 and A1 Centauri, which have masses halfway between Earth and Neptune, hot Jupiters like 51 Pegasi b, planets smaller than Earth like Kepler-20, and planets between Earth and Neptune. The habitable zones of many exoplanets have been discovered, but Earth is still the only planet that has been confirmed to harbor life.